Well, hello Internet. I'm wandering around in the woods again. It's probably about noon. I've been out here since about daylight and getting ready to head back to the house. I was gonna stop here and eat my lunch, but I looked around. I guess I forgot my lunch at the house. Yeah, the weird things you see in the woods. About a mile down the road, or down the forestry road, I seen 3 chickens. A banty rooster and 2 banty hens. Beautiful birds. I'll pop a couple pictures in here. Yeah, they were just wandering down the trail, just like they own the place. The weird thing is there ain't a house within 6 or 7 miles from here. I guess they're lost. But I'm out in the woods today, in the middle of nowhere basically again. I've got the Fuji X-T5 with the 16 to 50 lens. That's what I've been using pretty much all morning. I used the 70 to 300 to take a picture of them chickens, but because they wouldn't let me close to them. They were kind of skittish. But yeah, I've done a bunch of woodland photography this morning. There was a really weird blue fog. I mean, it just looked different. I'll pop some of those pictures in at the end of this video. Yeah, I was taking pictures of trees and there's like a fog and it was like all blue. But anyways, I'm gonna head on out of here and enjoy the pictures and see you later. Bye.